Hi guys, I've been making videos about Plasma. So if you go for, let's start with YouTube, ArcoLinux is good, ArcoLinux as well is probably good. You end up in one of our videos, but watch out of course that you are on one of ours. This seems like reviews from other people. So this one has a numbering system, so then you know you're in the right place. And we have here the channel. What I've made is a few videos about Plasma and the Otto theme. And I'm trying to tell you guys, it doesn't really matter. In the end, it's all Linux, and it's one of the one of the things is that you can use Plasma or any other desktop for that matter on so many Linux distributions, right? So I've been installing Plasma on, well, basically ArcoLinux, which is ArcoLinux then, ALCI, which is again ArcoLinux, on Ubuntu, but then KDE Neon, and I just installed, made a video, and the last one here on NixOS. So it really doesn't matter on which system we're on. We can just install it on so many. And I just asked ChatGPT, give me all the Linux distributions, right, which have Plasma. And he came up with Kubuntu, Fedora, KDE Spin, OpenSUSE, Manjaro, KDE Neon, I've made that one, Debian KDE, been a while actually, ArcoLinux, thank you, right, Netrunner, Mageia, PC Linux OS. So there's so many things. I'm just gonna do one more, and Kubuntu, right? That has been a while that I've installed an Ubuntu version, and this is Kubuntu then. So KDE, download Kubuntu. All right, let's have a go. 2404, which means it's quite recent, and it should be, right? It should be Plasma 6. NixOS wasn't. NixOS by default was 5. And yes, we had to do some stuff, and then finally we got a working Plasma 6. So in this case, I'm hoping for a Plasma 6 immediately. So feature tour, have a look around. Basically Plasma, of course, but on something else called Ubuntu. And in the end, I think what matters to users is everything working hardware-wise? Printers, Bluetooth and all that, webcams maybe, microphones, is everything working hardware? Otherwise, deal breaker. Secondly, applications and configurations. What I want to do with the system, free of charge, can I do it, right? Can I write a text? Can I email? Can I watch videos? I don't know what you're doing, right? Hobbies. Have a look and see if it actually works. And for the rest, we just want an up-to-date system, a stable system, safe system, fast system. But we can't make, and that's something, a question always people ask, we can't make an old computer change into a super fast new computer, and just by adding, well, software, right? Adding Linux. Linux is not gonna magically transform your 12-year-old system into a new system. So have a look at the website and see if there is some information here available if you are inclined to go for Kubuntu. There's a PDF that we could maybe have a look at. Kubuntu manual. That doesn't inspire a lot of information, a lot of, how do you say, 2018, right? Maybe an update is necessary. That's the first link I got, so, right? Anyway, maybe just forgotten, you know how it goes sometimes. We forget to change the title. I don't know. Okay, my mistake. 2022. 22 is still not 24, but okay. More recent. That's done. I'm gonna download it. I see. I think I better pause the video. Look at that. 41 minutes to download, right? So gonna take a while till everything is here. It's Spreading the word, contribute, includes software repositories, HIDPI, Plasma configuration files, advanced, basic, why, try Kubuntu. Maybe this one, upscaling things. All right, this one, using 200% might be a great option through, though 150% would also work. So upscaling here, the global scale. And that's one of the advantages, I have to admit, right? That this Plasma setup has so many configurations that probably it's gonna work, right? If we go into tiling window managers, we have to set it, we have to change it. And it's not up to the settings manager here of Plasma. This is a good tip, we told you that in the video as well. So if you go for Plasma and Wayland, then it needs often enable 3D acceleration. But I must admit that these days that seems to be less important. But then again, Arco Plasma is now on X11 and not default on Wayland. So that's might be something, right? Why everything is working right now. So Wayland is Wayland. It will be probably a future backend for Linux, but at this point in time there still are applications out there that do not work or glitch or whatever you want to call it, that are not stable enough yet on Wayland. Well, we'll see. In the meantime, we still have to wait 30 minutes, but I had this what if, can we download it somewhere else? Is there a choice to download it somewhere? Alternative downloads, torrents, and so on. So Turkey, Sweden is for me the fastest. Let's see. 2404 release. 3.8. I think that's the one I need. Not a torrent, but this one. Let's see who wins. Insecure download blocked. Keep. 3 minutes. How fast is that, right? So no, it's okay. Let him do the work. So Sweden for me is strange, I know, but the same experience on Arch. Sweden is a lot faster than anything else. And living in Belgium. England might be good for me as well. And you can check, just do the checksum if you want. How to check something, right? So if you've never seen this, voila, you read this. It's just an application that you run. You ask the ISO, you get something in the end, and then you know if it's exactly the same thing that you've downloaded. So this line here, that should be exact match to the thing, the output you get here running a command. All right. In the meantime, we're already halfway, but I'm gonna pause. Let's check it out. Yep. It's downloaded Super F7. Let's do a template for Kubuntu. Like I said, the settings could be important. This one, if we end up in Wayland, then we need that to be active. So that's Kubuntu. Okay. And let's boot up. So an E, this is what they do. VM Linux, quiet, splash. That's it. Kubuntu save. No mode set, that's the only thing. And here we have the config, OEM, config is true. So I just see that there is no Intel U-code or AMD U-code, it just boots up with the kernel, as we are right now as well on ArcoLinux in June. But this is not Calamaris, right? Let's see if this stays like that. So internet English, I don't know, that's okay, fine, try, install. Okay. And there is Calamaris. 3.3.5, right? At this point in time, it's number 7. Brussels, Belgium. Next, normal installation, full installation, all the extra third packages. Why not, right? So this one is gonna select element. Yeah. So element, virtual machine. It's a bit strange to install a virtual machine on a virtual machine, but I can say Krita, for example. I don't know. And here we have download and install updates following installation. So that think that means we need to be online, but this is VirtualBox, so it's always online. Not sure what consequence this is. And that's the minimal. That's the normal. That's the full. Let's just go for the full, right? We're not responsible for third-party source and start from this list. Okay. Erase disk. We do have some choices. But just swap to file, right? No extra partition. Okay. And these are the choices. The password for the root user is the same. Normally we would click something here. Login automatically. Let's not do that and see how we are greeted. And then step by step, fast installations, Kubuntu, click 12, 2 of 12. So let's have a look. We're going to install the theme Otto. I've been doing that now on ArcoLinux, ALCI, KDE Neon, NixOS. This is number 5, Kubuntu. Telling you, guys, it's all Linux, right? Don't live in boxes. Don't restrict yourselves in videos. If there is a video about Manjaro Plasma and you want to learn about Plasma, watch it, right? Watch it. Plasma is Plasma anywhere. Okay. Completely free, of course. But we do take that for granted, right? We are so critical on Linux as we would be on Mac or Windows, but this is free, guys. It's free. So sometimes I say, wait a few days and then it will be fixed. Be patient, right? Remember, it's free. All right. And then some technical stuff here. We're already at the grub install, so now we know what we're gonna get. Grub. Some shell processes. And this is the apt install, yes. apt-get update. I see already a few commands. And here is me being created. This is what I get. That's my group. There's a sudo group. Right. Lots of technical stuff. Let's see. Where are we? So this is the internet bit. He is going to get everything from the internet. So if there's no internet, maybe we get a different column marks. I don't know. Debian front end. Whatever that means. Yeah. So here they know packages minimal button, packages party button, and updates button. So because of the selections I've made, they know now what to do. Party button. Here's gonna clean some things away. Purge, purge, purge. Remove, remove. Clean system. Krita, element. I think there was a third. That's the virtual manager. Let's pause the video. It seems Thunderbird is coming in as well. Let's pause again. No, no need to pause. Let's go and design Kubuntu or Plasma with the Otto team. And I hope after these 5 installations you realize, guys, it's all Linux, it's all Plasma, based on a different kind of Linux, with a Linux kernel, with settings, with applications, and you can watch any of the videos. So voila, the greeting screen is already different, so well, there's that. SDM theme. Wayland is coming through slowly, but it's getting there. Don't judge any Linux distribution by just installing it on a virtual box, right? On any virtual machine, because it's not giving it enough credit, right? It's gonna be always slow on a virtual machine. So updating is probably, I would like type update, but no, I can't, and Pacman is out as well. Upgrade, update, one of those guys is going to do the job. And we see we're going to get it from the archive from Ubuntu AMD 64. And off it goes. Fine, have fun. And then we have a look around. First of all, the settings. First of all, the display. The display, where is the display? There he is. By that one, apply, wait for it, keep, back to appearance. So we have this Kubuntu, Kubuntu, colors, Plasma style, Kubuntu focus, window decorations, fonts, icons. There are some icons here, cursors, Ubuntu here, font management splash screen, nothing, and boot splash screen, Ubuntu text and Kubuntu text. There are some things to do, but I'm not interested in all that. I just want to have, let's have a look first. Software update. Nope, that one. 5.27, right? 5.27. So what will we get in? Let's see. Reboot. Will we get Plasma 6? It's already a big screen, that's something. 5.27. Okay, Control T. There he is. Sudo apt update. We see noble, upgrade. So we need to find out how we get to Plasma 6. If we can. Suppose we can. Ubuntu Plasma 6. We accept everything. KDE on Kubuntu, how to upgrade, complete guide from 29/2024. Consent, the rubbish. Alter, done that. Back ports. Here's Arch. Let's see. Backports of new versions of KDE platform Plasma application major Kubuntu. Enter. And then we say sudo apt get full something. Auto completion does not exist. That's not okay. Apt get full upgrade, yes. Let's do an update again. Signature by key uses weak algorithm, that's okay. So we're not going to get any further. That's KDE. They say they won't ship it. Please reconsider Plasma 6 in Kubuntu. Tweak the Kubuntu installer. Discover is present. Yep. Flatpak backend. Not really a fan of Flatpak, so whatever. This was from 1 month ago. That's the line that we read. Huh? Did we miss something? This beacon package con. We've done that already. Sudo apt update. how difficult it sometimes can be. Huh? Look at that. That's recognizable in Arch, right? Sudo remove for lib apt lists. What's that? Held by a process package kit. What is still open? Nothing. Unable to log directory. Probably not okay to remove it. I don't know. But on Arch we remove a file at db.log. So here's a little bit of. Here's a log file. Now look at that. If you're upgrading a virtual machine, make sure you have display memory minimum of 128. I have that, but I've never known that that was a problem. Voila, 256. Good to know. Discover app. Click fetch updates, wait for a few minutes. Plasma 6 via the upgrade package list once you've verified. Strange, right? No. I haven't typed that one. Does it exist? Oh yeah. And then I can choose this. Update and upgrade system. Testing changes. Whatever that is. PK might freeze for a minute or two during the upgrade installation. Don't close it, instead wait for it to complete the installation. Restart the system. We'll see. This didn't work. I don't know if this is still gonna give us something as output. But let's pause the video. So I've waited quite a few minutes here, you can see in the video, and I'm gonna stop this because this is not gonna help me. And so I asked the question to ChatGPT. I said, please, how do I get from Plasma 5 to Plasma 6? So the sudo apt update and upgrade and adding the PPA came out as well. So this thing. And upgrade. So that's all okay. Then it says install Plasma 6 by sudo apt install Kubuntu desktop. What will happen? Nothing. And then I said dist upgrade. That's something new, I think. Have we typed that already? Well, nothing happens. And then we reboot our system. Now I think we're stuck, right? We'll be stuck on Kubuntu on number 5. Now, normally I would rise this thing to Otto. So let's try. And now the button is not here. The button is now down here. And Otto is something that's ready for Plasma 6. But who knows? Nope, right? Otto is a Plasma 6 thing. And Otto is not coming out. Not in capital letters and not in small letters. No. So there you go. That's that. Kubuntu stays on Plasma 5. That's what I conclude. Cheers.